How to enable or disable Digital Assistant app to analyze on-screen text on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on Apps. Then tap on Choose Default Apps. And from here, tap on Digital Assistant app. And then in here, you can tap on Analyze on-screen text. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Here's it allow the Digital Assistant app to analyze text shown on the screen to provide related content. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.